The truth about kale. Kale, antioxidant powerhouse. Kale is often hailed as a superfood due to its exceptional nutritional profile. One of the key reasons why kale has gained so much popularity is its antioxidant powerhouse status. Antioxidants are substances that help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can result in various illnesses and diseases. Kale is packed with a wide array of these antioxidants, making it a highly beneficial addition to any diet. First and foremost, kale is rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps to protect cells from damage. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. By incorporating kale into your diet, you can boost your vitamin C intake and bolster your overall health. Furthermore, kale is a great source of beta-carotene, which gives the vegetable its vibrant green color. Beta-carotene is converted by the body into vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining good vision, promoting a healthy immune system, and supporting cell growth and development. Consuming kale can help ensure you are meeting your vitamin A needs, thereby aiding in the overall function and well-being of your body. Another important antioxidant found in kale is quercetin, a flavonoid that provides various health benefits. Quercetin has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the body and potentially protecting against chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Including kale in your diet can aid in the prevention of such conditions and promote long-term health. Moreover, kale contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help to filter harmful blue light, protecting the retina from damage caused by excessive exposure. By incorporating kale into your diet, you can promote good vision and potentially reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, kale contains a unique compound called sulforaphane, which has gained attention due to its potential anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane is believed to activate a specific set of enzymes that can help protect against the development and progression of cancer cells. Including kale in your diet may provide you with this protective benefit and contribute to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Furthermore, kale is rich in various minerals, including manganese and copper, which act as crucial cofactors for antioxidants in the body. These minerals help enzymes function properly and facilitate the removal of harmful free radicals from the body. By consuming kale, you can ensure that your body has an adequate supply of these important minerals to support its antioxidant system. Lastly, kale is a versatile ingredient that can easily be incorporated into various dishes, making it an accessible and convenient way to reap its antioxidant benefits. Whether in salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or as a crispy snack when baked, kale can be enjoyed in numerous delicious ways. In conclusion, kale is undoubtedly an antioxidant powerhouse that deserves recognition for its exceptional nutritional profile. It contains a wide array of antioxidants that can support overall health, protect against chronic diseases, and promote well-being. By incorporating kale into your diet, you can harness these benefits and give your body a nutritious boost. So, next time you're planning a meal, consider adding kale to ensure you're reaping the antioxidant goodness it offers. Thanks for watching. And for more information on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, and kale healthy eating, just follow this channel. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.